Hello everyone, welcome to today's stream. Jeez, how are you all doing? Welcome to a Gremlin Death Day. I have just changed the name like 15 minutes before stream happened. But welcome everyone to today's stream. I hope you're all doing well. Sorry if I ended the stream earlier yesterday. I got a little grumpy, not gonna lie. But I'm back. Why did I just... that volume? It's this volume I needed to just set the stream audio side the volume for no reason. I'm gonna try something quickly. I need to check what this does. But welcome everyone to today's stream. I hope you're all doing well. I'm a little sleepy today, to be honest. My brain's in a little exploring mood, so I may get distracted very easily. Oh yeah, that's my strip missing scripts thing. You know, I'm gonna go for lo-fi today and try not to fall asleep. One sec, everyone. Don't know why, I'm just in lo-fi moods lately. But yeah, welcome everyone to today's stream. I hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I have no idea what I'm doing today. Not gonna lie. Modified components. Actually, I shouldn't have done that. Because that messes up the positioning. Actually, no, that's the main camera, so I can. I'm being dumb. Just need a moment to regain my bearings. Vina! Thanks for redeem, Alex. She's stood at my doorway licking her chops. Hey, what's this? Here she comes. I turned my love stream. I didn't tell this stream. One sec while I quickly turn that off. Because I want to manage the reactives now manually. Trouble when I only use this theme once a month, week, not month. I miss everything. Add to player one. I forget to make changes to my dev screen. So yeah, this is Velocital's currently. The alpha that I was planning on releasing a couple Saturdays ago before the whole, before shit hit the fan. Oh, like spike there. Hmm. What I may actually do is, need to check this out, actually. Okay, what inside the... That's the biggest thing in here. Camera stack. Okay, what if I turn... Because I know I was fucking with this and it may have screwed up a little bit. Let's turn this off. Oh, what's going on? Right, now let's try this with the, the profiler. Let's turn everything on again. Things seem to be much lower now. Gonna be honest. Ah! Hi, friend. So the problem I'm having here is that it's not... It has been assigned. Oh, let me deal with this error. Yeah, that's that error sorted. Right, let's take a scroll along this. So this time around, yeah. Prelude's 3 cold. So the calls are pretty low. That's like how many times the script is called. So I need to sort something else in the AI script anyway. Right, let's go back to the AI. So the problem I'm having with the AI right now is that it's not... Don't know why it's still the way down there. Need it up here. So the problem we're having is that these doors aren't opening currently. Where is this used? You would hope I would know, but... Unfortunately, I don't. What I was thinking about doing script-wise was narrowing down the amount of different scripts I needed for the interactables into just one. That way I could, but break it down to functions, of course. But this way I could set up a script to 3 kind of classes. Pickupables, interactable, key item. So yeah, pickupables, key items, and stationary. This way I could potentially limit the messiness of everything. And the way that will be controlled is by Boolean. So like I create say this is all the door stuff. Let's call this DoorCon. This would be private, don't need to be public. If I deleted this, pasted it in here instead, we say if Dorrance is true, which I think that's what that was for. Would help if I did this. Then say run Dorcon. So that would run the door controller instead. And the way you could organize this is say that in the we're gonna call this anim. Change it. Gotta remember to do this right. Change this to anim. So that way it's for all of them. Then what we're gonna do here is we're gonna create a header. So when you go to look at this script in here, the doors, it kind of gets separated by this. So you can kind of have this system like this. And then let's say instead we put so we keep this all here. Header. Let's create a new header. Let's call this storage variables. Let's create a public pool of is underscore is storage. So this would fit more things like drawers, cupboard, drawers and other type cupboard type stuff. We'll determine it's false early on. Also, we're gonna rename this to is door. So then, like, what you do is tick this here is door. I'll deal with that later. Just realized I have two of these now. Ah. So for this, relocate the underscore to the other side. There we go. This is the little idea that I've got going. So we go like, if is door. Thanks for Quack. Let's collapse this. So that fits in there. There we go. Then also we want to get this. Then also we could do else if. Now I'm creating new code. Else if is right. Yeah, this needs to be serialized. I'm dumb. There we go. Then we change the underscore to the other side. And storage. Then we go for clean that up. What Athena? We do else if is storage. Then we run that if anim equals null. So the reason why I'm using the brackets instead of just writing the line immediately underneath is that in case I want to add later. Get components. Oops. So that's the kind of thing you do there. So then you can have like things like doorcon, storage, void storage, con. That's not what I wanted. Sometimes the autocomplete can be a bitch.
They need to hit her with a shut your mouth order.
So like you can have all these different things. Let's say void like this is just small idea. But what I may do instead is separate the scripts into two different types. void the just trying to think.
Or encourage?
Things that need something to be interacted with,
Well, they can.
and things that don't need something to be interacted with. No, that doesn't make sense.
Thank you. Just wanted to know that.
Need a moment.
Yeah, he gave it to me to beat you up.
You know what? No, I'm sticking with this idea. I'm going with storage con key
I
items
don't know. I haven't seen what's in there.
and long interacts. I think. Why? Hold on.
There's a hole in the sink.
Actually, what if? Reveal.
Could be if I have your choice. You know what that mother fluffer's like? You pick on your toes again.
Let me just check in something a moment, everyone. Based on base class to derive custom property drawers from users to create your own drawers for your serializable classes or for they're called property drawer. Type of thing. Public override visual. I want to try this. Hold on a minute. I'm getting distracted, but this could actually help me out a little bit. Don't know why those are in there. Don't need them. Wait, do I need to create this as a custom script? So I'm guessing I need an editor script for this. Hold on, let me... I need to find some more info on this. Custom... Oh, fucking ads. Give me a sec, everyone. Why does there have to be so many ads? Ah. So let's call it acceptable. I've not done much in
What? Yeah, I've got to get it out.
So apparently I can do property drawer instead. Apparently I can get rid of these. Get rid of these, of course. Custom. I'm just doing this as a little get a feel for it, then I can try out my own things. Type of. You know what, actually, well, do. I'm not gonna follow that one. Okay, let's try something. So let's go custom. No, not property drawer. Then we change this to editor. Sorry I'm so quiet. I'm just doing some research into some stuff. Hmm. Hold on, give me a sec. I want to check with source on what I'm hunting down. Where is it? Oh, really sorry I'm so quiet. Da 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 da. So much for that. But this might actually be worth it. For this okay, so
Shit, bollocks. Millennium Man.
right, okay, so little ideas I've got going. Some of this will have to wait until like I get the baseline scripts done of these variables. Let's say we want what you could do with changing this to interactables. I'll change it in the script as well. Yeah, and my door controller not found. Let's rename this to Interactables. I hope I named that correctly. So I haven't written any other rights yet. Okay, so let's do our cleanup. You know what? That wants to fix it for me. Let's let it. Some script I haven't touched in forever.
Question for you.
Right, let's clean this up. Okay, so in a way, this should, in theory, help clean up a little bit. I want to try this. Check what this means. Oh, I'm dumb. So this is the problem. This is why that was screaming. There shouldn't be things like public and private on... I'm not sure when or why I did this. I mean, this... Actually, no, I remember. This was to do with older Unity stuff. This was one of my first scripts to do with doors and stuff. To be honest, I think I can bin this. Because I don't use it anymore. So, we're gonna be using interactables here. Hmm. Where is my script for the AI? Well, yeah. Breaking more errors. This show when you change the name in one place, everywhere else that name is, it flares up in all the other scripts that interacts with it. Luckily, the process can be less painful at times. Was it suggesting it's make read only? Oh, that's for chance to check stuff. So here's the problem I have right now. It's getting the AI to interact with the doors. Because as you may have saw that it was not interacting with the doors. I have an interactables, don't I? Hold on, let's do a search for these. Right, if other dot. But there's trouble here. I'm using both, you know, let's double check the Phantom a moment. Oh my god. Why can't it just tell me all at once instead of finding it later? Yes, thank you. Oh, please, bugger. Oh, for fuck's sake. Right, are we done with it? I forget how this one variable is basically everywhere. Oh, fuck off with the graphs. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to set two of these. This one is going to have a bigger radius here. And then we are going to add a capsule color. Why is layer overrides? Hold on, I'm gonna double check this. Using collider layer overrides. To make some objects collide and others ignore, you can use layer overrides of the colliders. First, create a layer for the objects that will only trigger and not interact. Then select all the objects you want to be only in trigger mode. Huh? To make some objects collide and
Go see Jack.
do you mean the objects that will call on trigger? Hold on, what's this? But the second enable is trigger. The first collider, go to the layers, overrides and sets exclude layers to the layer you created. This is the collider that interacts with other objects and will ignore the objects in the layer you created. For the second collider, no. Okay, I think the person kind of messed up. So I think what this is meant to be is like, oh, I want this to only interact with the interactables there. So I hit interact. But then for example, I hit that and do that. Then I say, oh, this is one I want to everything, except I don't want it to interact with interact. Kind of like that. That's what I think. I'm not fully sure. I think this is kind of how you can have two. Just realized my number pad was off for some reason. Okay, I genuinely want to try this now. 1 minute. I'll deal with all of that in a minute. It's a constant bloody pain in my ass, that issue. Hold on a minute. Alright, Yeah, I'll deal with it in a moment. I'll be right back, everyone, in a minute. I have returned. Just make sure that's it. How is everyone doing? Hmm. Uh, so what I'm thinking is, what if I did a couple of these? Let's get off door toggle. So new pickup can get out of here because currently, if you know, I'm probably just overcomplicating this. You know, I think that's what it is. So if I make sure all of these are marked as right. So what is this? Okay, where are all the audio listeners? UI camera, that's probably going to audio listener. Yep, let's remove component. There we go, that's another one solved. I could not load file night store. I'm slowly waking up more. So apparently what I need to do for that is, potentially is if I go into Window Package Manager. Hmm. Okay, let's do this. No, not there. Edit. By the way, I'm probably gonna try and get the part 2 uploaded tonight. I'm curious on what that is. Auto snap, yeah, rebuild and save all the effects crafts. Interesting. Usual, preferences, visual scripting. I think it's in. Nope. So it must be in project settings. Yes. So I haven't made much progress on today's stream. It's just one of those getting back into things because I've been out of the picture for a little bit with the shit show that's been going on. But it's finally calming down. Regenerate nodes completed. Let's hope that works. Right. Let's test this to see if the doors actually work now. So the reason why the doors are working in a completely different way to how they used to, okay, what was wrong with the door there? Oh, fuck off with that error. What's going on here? Door interact. Is door. But I need to move up to there. Or I just rename it to interactable key because I may have things locking both storage crates and stuff. Okay, let's go back to the enemy controller. This is on trigger enter. You know what, let's just get rid of all of the because I may have understood this system wrong, so like it doesn't matter. And this could be causing issues here, but I don't know how to fix that, and it's fucking annoying. I may ask the Muse AI at some point, seeing that it's got direct access to this stuff, if I can't find answers anywhere. See, it just walks straight on through. What is going on here? No, I did mean to do that. No, stop that. I don't want to do live share. Live share, from what I understand, by the way, is like sharing the scripts with people through Visual Studios, through Microsoft. I think. And maybe being able to work on it at the same time, I'm not fully sure. Calculator vector from the agent to the door. Vector 3, da da da. Do I have the logs on the AI? That's my question here. Yes. Yes, hi, Fina. Yeah, but not even hitting the... That's going through log, right? Yeah, let's turn off player character log right now. Don't need it. It's not enabled. What the fuck are you doing? The fuck is this? Alright. Yeah, okay, that's that. Da da da. Oh, this is the thing that's still running off debug.log. There we go. It's not that you have to put .toString. Oh well. So what's going on here? Do I have door open? Yes. Hmm. Okay, yeah, that's for the AI state. Asa or da. That's an interesting name. Okay, I found where this issue may be coming from. It's coming from the it's coming from the world here. Okay, I'm gonna try something. Navigation clear. This should wipe the slate clean if the issue is not there. I'm not bothered about that other AI error that came up. Let's try taking all of these off too. Okay, that did not work. Just to double check, you're gonna try sorry, I'm yawning so much. Mm-hmm. Free. Is it free villain that's needed? Damn it. Because apparently this can be affected by this error. The whole nav mesh system, pathfinding, is triggered by this. So it's kind of like, where does this come in? Pardon me? Gonna try something. Da da da. No. Da da da. Copy. Window. Package manager. Get rid of that. Okay, it's adding this. Hopefully this will solve my issues. What? Wait. Can I... Da, da, da. Actually, no, I think this is what I need here. Nope. Right, okay, so I'm gonna have to do something a moment. Download zip. Let's extract all. Extract, yes. So then I need to create in assets a nice IO folder. This is apparently what I've got to do to get this to work. Show an explorer. Da, da, da. Let's hope this doesn't nuke anything. Hold on, give me a sec. Where's the read me? Actually, give me a sec. Let's delete everything in here just in case. Just gonna test something. Da, da, da. Hold on, I think I need to go deal with my window because I think weather's picking up. And I think my window is a little bit open. You know, this folder is annoying me. The nice IO. Da, da, da. Sorry a minute. While I'm just trying to find a way to fix this. Fuck's sake. Let's try removing visual scripting. Just as an idea. Da, da, da. Come on. Kind of curious on what Cecil is. Hopefully this fixes the error. Well, please don't get stuck. Completing domain? Okay, it's completing the domain. Hopefully this is what it needs. Less than 27 seconds, everyone. Okay, let's try this. And hope it doesn't pop up, because if it does, I'm gonna be mad. You know, fuck it. Reimport all. Save, yes. I'm going for the nuclear option, basically. When in doubt, nuke it. This method is surprisingly useful. Yes, it can take a little while, but still surprisingly useful. It's getting a little colder here. Storm weather's coming in. just over my entire duvet from my bed. It's one of those, like, it's either mental coldness or actual coldness, but either way, I'm snatching this duvet. It's comfy. How are you all doing? This may take a moment. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. Another piece done. Welcome back from the ads, everyone. Oh yeah, has anyone heard about the Master Chief now being in Rainbow Six as a Sedge Elite skin? Firstly, I think it's amazing that they've done a thing like that and added a little mini gravity hammer. True, it looks a little dodgy, but you know. I still think it's amazing that they added a tiny little mini one. God, I miss gravity hammers. I don't remember them being in Infinite. Which is a sad thing, seeing that dealing with brutes. Hold on, I want to double check this. Because I just don't remember the gravity hammers being there. Maybe they were? Apparently they were. I just don't remember coming across it much, which seems weird for brutes to be without their gravity hammers. They were a little bit of addicts when they got whenever they were a high enough ranking to have one. God, that reminds me. Does anyone remember the days of Halo 3 when those gravity hammer chieftains that just flashbangs the fuck out of you before coming after you? Yeah, this is definitely gonna take a minute. Gonna see if there's anything I need to do to my padlock in the meantime. For anyone that doesn't know, I've started working this wonderful thing here. Let's turn the link off. It's a little padlock that I've made for a little side project of mine. Keep again, I have real snow. Oh. Let's add snow. Because why not? Hee. Oh no. Don't tell me I've just crashed Blender instantly. That would have been funny as fuck. Snow. Hold on, we have to do a little extra here. Let's remove the snow actually from all of it. Select all of it and then... Look at that snow. I like how it's labeled as snowball when it's not a snowball. Some tries in here. A little messy. Like, you couldn't really use this, I don't think, for too much. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, you could, because it's limiting it to, you know. It's limiting it to creating triangles and quads. There's no polygons that I can see here. So actually, yeah, you could. It's just a little messy, I think. It's like you'd have to go through a little cleanup process. Pretty sure I'm telling it to dissolve. Maybe better off doing this. Let's go and try this. Sometimes when you're using the speed dissolve, it does matter which will you tell it to dissolve for it to work correctly. No, we only want to dissolve here. Yeah. I'm just seeing if I can get this to cleanly tidy up. Little projects to pass the time. Hold on. Is it done? Da da da. Right. Let's see what errors come up. Because I know that there were some errors there, but they're not important. I mean, fuck! Damn it. The UI menu is working a bit too well. The problem is still those doors. That's what I've got to get fixed. I might set myself a time limiter for getting this done by Friday night, Saturday morning kind of thing. Because I need it to register those doors. But it's not even hitting the doors. Huh. I'm a little distracted now. My brain has been appeased into fixing the snow. Da, da, da. Clean that up. Yeah, actually, still clean that up. Clean that up. Okay, get rid of this one and this one. I feel like this is like a unnecessary. I'm really sorry. I know this is mainly game dev based, but like, brain go burr when it finds entertainment in things at times, you know? sometimes seeing if you can nicely clean up geometries apparently is one of those things that appeasing to my brain these days. Nah. Let's not save this because... This is still bugging me here for Nice IO. Because I have no idea on what's calling it. It's annoying because it's... there's not a lot of info anymore. Like, I could have searched this up a month ago and found out way more, like, links and forums and questions and stuff about this one file. Sup, friend? How are you? Bye. The idea is that it's going to be a much darker environment anyway, so I'm not surprised that, like, I feel that's a comfortable range in darkness to spot player. Now, the test after the rebuild is I definitely need to double check the doors. I probably did and my brain hasn't restored it, so I'm going to double check it once more. It's not hitting them. So what I need to do is figure out what the fuck is going on. Reopen our dear old friend Visual Studios. It's like, why isn't this working? I've got a rigid body on this, right? No, that's why it's not working. The rigid body's fucking missing. Oh, this has layer overrides too. Hopefully having his kinematic works. This is the thing I keep forgetting with its triggers, because I don't use its triggers as much as I haven't gotten around to using them yet. Yeah, see? How it's actually stopping now? This 2 hours 15 minutes, and this is how it could have been solved. So the problem is that the AI is stopping at literally every door that is in its path. Which is not what I need. As well as other things I've got to do, like... Hold on, let me turn off show nav mesh. The other thing I've got to do is I've got to deal with this headlight. The thing is, I want it to be much tighter. But that also kind of wouldn't work. So that's how you can kind of get like a solid light. Also, we want soft shadows. We're not trying to be stingy here on our shadows. There we go. Right, also I want to do something for this site. I need to make sure that the spot angle is set to the outer angle. Wait, hold on. So let's do this. So dot spot in a. So that suggests that that's using the outer spot angle, spotlight angle, not the inner spotlight angle. So that's actually fine. Okay, that's why I wanted to make sure there. What I would do is to like. Unity back. No, not the manual. Break. I'm a very aggro developer at times. Vina, that's my ankle you just smacked, madam? Huh? Yeah, hi. Smacking my ankle. Little madam. I don't like how close these two are. Why isn't there space? I like my spaces. Just gonna do something. Da, da, da. Okay, so that's there. Da, da, da. What if I... No, we... Hmm. I need to dive more into AI programming. Da-da-da. God, I'm tired. I'm probably gonna take a break soon. The problem is I need to get my schedules back to waking up early so that way I can prepare for stream for like the Gremlin Dev Day streams and stuff. Otherwise, I'm not gonna be ready for them and I'm gonna be half asleep. Wait, hold on. What if I did? Here's a little idea. Because also the other thing as well, I need to change the turning on the AI because it has quite a large turn. So like if I can speed that up a little bit. Agent. So what if I drew a raycast to the door, right? So like if I did So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to the check distance to play. So what I'm going to do here is keep this here. Float angle between guard and target. Equals vector 3 direction to target. So let's copy this. This is going to simplify it, but we're going to replace this with agent to door. And let's rename this to door. Not four. They're not doors, they're fours. So then if I go back up, then if I do, if this angle between guard and target, but guard and door is this, then So let's get rid of this whole dot product stuff here. So instead, we're gonna do if angle hold on a sec. Is view angle divided by 2, which I'm pretty sure slash is divide. From what I remember vaguely. Would help if I remembered. It's just sleepy brain right now. So this should create its own whole thing. Let's try this, shall we? This is the view angle, by the way. Which door is it opening? Hey, it is working. God. Just it's the little things that make my gremlin brain happy, like this. Just like, this makes game dev worth everything to me. Just getting to see this guy go around, not perfect, but even better than the last time. It was inside the view angle. Oh, it is taking the shortcut. Oh, that's interesting. That's genuinely interesting. And then, on top of that, what we're going to do to add a little bit more to this, because we're going to have a clean AI, like, it likes things nice and tidy, it's going to be a little shit, basically. If we're going to do else, then we're going to do if to toggle get components interactables dot underscore dot open is equal to true. Oh, I'm dumb. Give me a sec. I just realized what I did here by accident. Whoops. There we go. Then we add no, we don't want to delete it. We want to copy it and put it in here. So this way, if the door isn't in front of them, they can add it to the shut thing. Now let's watch this. This is going to be one of the cuddliest AIs ever. Oh. So there's going to be a slight issue with some of the doors. Oh, well. Yeah, I find it funny that the AI will just pop out of somewhere randomly now. So I'm glad I changed to this method. What I'm also going to do is add nav mesh obstacles to closable doors, like lockables. So that way, if the AI encounters the door and there's a nav mesh component on it, as in it's locked, it will not open it. So like, let's say, say we've got all of this down here, right? Let's encapsulate all of this. If door to toggle dot dot get components interactables, but we don't want that. We want to dot, is it it's locked or locked? Underscore door unlocked. I am gonna change that. No, I'm not, because I know why that isn't. We're gonna take these two. And shift them inside of here. So this way, if the door is locked, they won't do anything. That's not what I meant to do. Alt Shift. Right, okay, so I need these to get out of the way here. So they go up to their appropriate spots. There we go. Just doing some tidying here, because we don't like messiness. There we go, that should clean that up a fair bit. Oh, a minute. Oh no, this whole lot needs to be shifted up. No, didn't mean to do that. Alt shift. There we go. That's all cleaned up. So now basically if a door is locked, the AI should not touch the door. Also what I'm going to do is add to interactables. Void lock door. So this is how we're gonna run this. So if the door is unlocked,
You don't have to be alone.
and also we're going to grab frick. Right, hold on. Brain. So what we're gonna add in here as a option is a nav mesh door, nav mesh thing. Right, actually I'm gonna stick this under here. Nav mesh obstacle, and we're gonna call it door obstacle. So what we're gonna do is if game object dot get components does not equal null, we are going to turn it into door obstacle, and I'll probably botched that spelling. There we go. That is done there. So we're gonna do. Don't know why I have two sets of these. Right. What we're gonna do here is we are going to do under the false, and then underneath we are going to do dot enabled equals true. Why did I do that in those? I'm dumb. Yeah, why did I do that in there? Okay, so that's that bit done there. I'll fix spelling later. Brain's not handling spelling right now. Else, if underscore door unlocked, but we want this to check if it's not locked. So we go like this. Then we do the same again, but then we go door unlocked equals true. Okay, that's a little extra bit. So that controls the whole like door locking, and this should stop the AI from actually getting through the doors. For these locked doors, that is. Then what we are going to do on top of this is, we've got a key system, right? So... Yeah, no, we can leave that because that will handle in the player. We'll handle a system that reads, that whole system. So, like, this would be great for the game objects to the doors to handle the lockings of them themselves. All you need to do is call locked door. The thing is with this, we need this to be public. For this to be accessible by the player. Also, we're gonna add if storage. Storage con. That will enable me to happily just edit all of this down here without any issue. Just gonna do something quickly. So I was checking something a moment. I might wrap up stream soon and just continue with this off stream. I'll deal with a nice IO file. You know, yeah, I think I'm gonna leave stream here for today and slowly work through this off stream if I don't end up procrastinating. But yeah, so the Wednesday dev days are now going to be branded as the Gremlin dev days. Because I know, like, there's a lot of, like, oh, it's Wednesday this day, Monday this day kind of thing that goes on in the streaming space. So I thought I might customize it a little bit and call it the Gremlin dev day. Stardew Monday is gonna stay the same. Random Game Day probably the same as well. Just this one I felt like customizing a little bit more because this is like the Wednesday dev days are kind of like a little staple for me and my streams, I believe. I could be wrong, but yeah, it's what I think. But yeah. So those are that's what these are gonna be called from now on. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly explain something with the interactables. Let's go to that. So the reason why I'm not running the whole, like, oh, if it's locked, do this, if it's unlocked, do this, is that this will enable me to run a toggle. gonna name it bluntly what it is. So that way this is going to be toggleable by the door. The key item check, I can do that via the player. I already do. Let me find it quickly. Not through here. Where is it? It's not long interact. So hold on, there is one thing I'll have to do through here. Oh, yeah, that's already there. Damn, there is a whole thing that I need to double check. What I want to do is Right, you know what? Let's create a little variable in here called interactables. We'll call it interact obj. Equals then we are going to copy this here. Get rid of this bit here. So because this is going to be a multi-step piece, we're gonna run if interact obj dot door unlocked, then we'll easily run this. I'm still not... I need to double check how I am running the... Oh, whoops. This needs to stay outside. Whoops. So it is legit just this one that goes in here. Is this further back? God damn it, it is. Oh, it's because of the way cases are structured for some weird reason. If there's a way I can find that, I want them to work like a bloody if statement. Because, like, here's the thing. This marks from here to here. But the problem is the brackets mark their own thing here. And they sit up here for some reason. So you end up with these two lines for no damn reason at all. And it's completely frustrating for someone who likes clean code. I like to write clean code these days, thanks to a former teacher of mine. And I'm still grateful for him teaching me clean code because it makes my life easier reading without my own abominations. Also, I know you can see my personal email, but please do not use that. Only use my... If you've got business-based stuff, please just use my business email, which you can find below. Because I'm not going to be answering any random emails through this. I have a lot of spam emails come through there anyway. I don't need any random people going, hey, I emailed you here, why haven't you responded? That's just not something I need to deal with. Not sure what this is. Huh. Oh wait, this is the crouch? Do I have crouch labeled as its own thing? No, hold on. This is throwing me off. For fuck, why? No, there's crouch right there. You know, I'm just gonna wrap up stream here. Let's snooze the ads. Thank you everyone for joining me today. I will be live tomorrow with Dark Souls 2, the Scholar of the First Sin, potentially with Nima. So keep an eye out for that. Big stretch. I know it's been a rather quiet stream today, but very EP. Woke up like 30 minutes before the go live, the dedicated go live time. But I will be live again tomorrow, hopefully at 4:30 UK time. If you're watching this on YouTube, thank you for watching. Feel free to come over and catch me live here. You can find more information on the 3 major days I am live. For the additional days, such as Dark Souls 2 on Thursdays, and the multiplayer games on Fridays, feel free to come over here and check the schedule panel below. Otherwise, feel free to check out my Twitter and yeah, the Twitter or Discord server, which I do try and upload every Sunday. Schedule, sometimes I'm late and upload them on the Monday, and sometimes in the middle of the night. Whoops. But for everyone here, feel free to ransack that link tree right there. I still need to sort that out. It's still, I swear I told that to put on a new line, but it's like, no, I'm sticking it on the same line attached to the exclamation mark. But anyway, feel free to check that out. In there are my game pages, my YouTube, TikTok, my Twitter, the Discord server, the Shadow Cave. But even if you don't want to join any of them right now, you can find everything below in the panels, which has all kinds of stuff, including my Wraith partnership code and stuff. Which, by the way, if you use that, you can get 10% off any order, while also helping out little gremlins like me at the same time. But feel free to go sniff that out. We are going to raid out. Let me just double check my raids list. You know what? Tolk is live with Kingdom of Hearts. Level 1 crit session. Whatever that says. Means. I have no idea when it comes to Kingdom of Hearts. I've never played the games. So yeah, there's the raid message right there. The gremlins have escaped. I know I haven't done a after the game dev gaming part today, just the way I am feeling. I am satisfied with just doing this part. But with that being said, thank you everyone for coming today. Remember to check out all of those things as I find Tolk's stream. Yeah, feel free to check out all of those things. Join the Discord server where I am at most of the time. When I'm not passed out. And with that being said, I shall see you all tomorrow for Dark Souls 2. See ya!